Let's discuss some topics to write articles. You can write articles about any topic of your choice. For example, if you are a marketer, you can write articles about marketing. If you are learning web design and development, you can write articles about web design and development. If you are an expert in Photoshop, you can write tutorials about Photoshop. If you love travel, you can also write articles about travel. You can also write about parenting, health, education, softwares, and you can also write assignments, essays, theses, coursework, and speeches. For example, at plzz.com, you can see current projects offered: medical science, geography, engineering, political economy. Here you can see an example article. My first article was about Ghost, a blogging platform. After installing and using Ghost on my local computer, I wrote a review of Ghost, and I was paid $50 for my first article. You can also write reviews of different products. As we discussed earlier, plzz is a big network and you can write about different topics. There are dozens of topics. You can write about business, marketing, communication, small business, productivity, careers, planning, freelancing. You can also write about music and audio production, 3D and motion graphics, game development, and computer skills. You can also share your experience about MS Office, hardware, automation, security, OS X, productivity, and others. At sidepoint.com, you can see different topics: WordPress, web, entrepreneur, design, mobile, Ruby. So just click on any category and now you can see more topics. You can see more topics: business, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, finance, freelancing, legal, management, marketing, revenue, social media, startups. You can see an example article: how to earn passive income by creating digital info products. As we discussed earlier, you can also write about Photoshop, e-commerce for our journal. For metroparent.com, you can write stories that interest to local parents. At sidepoint.com, you can see some example articles: 8 PayPal alternatives for your online business, 6 red flags that signal the end of your career, 4 ways to turn your site into your best salesperson, and some other articles. So it's up to you. You can write articles about any topic of your choice. I have been writing articles about web design and development, blogging and marketing.